Welcome to the launch of the Life Depot podcast, where we tackle the looming crisis of our centralized risk society. Our mission is to educate humanity on preparing, surviving, and thriving in the world's darkest hour.
Our world is built on fragile centralized systems, from energy grids to food supply chains, the transportation grid, and the internet. This reliance leaves us vulnerable to catastrophic failures, whether from cyber attacks, EMPs, natural disasters, CMEs, or geopolitical conflicts, beginning with World War III, which is staring us in the face as we speak.
The terrifying truth is that there's no grand plan to mitigate these crises. The powers that be are content to let the chips fall where they may, but we can't afford complacency. Action is needed now.
At Life Depot, we're not just about surviving when the lights go out and chaos ensues. We're about thriving. Our mission is to empower individuals and communities to build a resilient, decentralized future.
Imagine a world where you grow your own food, generate your own energy, and live in harmony with nature. A world where you're not reliant on distant corporations and governments for your survival.
This isn't just a dream, it's a necessity. The time to prepare is now. Join us as we explore practical steps to become more self-reliant, from gardening and homesteading to emergency preparedness.
Our podcast will guide you through building a secure and brighter future. We'll discuss transitioning from urban globalization to a sustainable agrarian culture, emphasizing self-sufficiency and community strength. Together, we can face the inevitable challenges ahead. Tune in to the Life Depot podcast and be part of a movement that aims to save the world in its darkest hour. Let's build a better tomorrow together. That's the plan.